Mom.
Emma, are you okay? Sweetheart, don't move too quickly. Let me help you up.
Okay, Mom.
I'm cleaning the floor right now. The floor is really dirty today.
Mom, do you need any help? Mom, do you need any help?
No, sweetheart. I can do it myself. No, sweetheart. I can do it myself.
Okay, Mom. Call me if you need anything. And please be careful. The floor is wet.
I will, sweetheart. Thank you.
Ouch! Mom!
Emma, are you okay? Sweetheart, don't move too quickly. Let me help you up.
Okay, Mom.
How are you feeling now, sweetheart?
I'm feeling a little better, Mom.
Does anything still hurt?
My leg hurts a little, but I think I'll be okay.
I'm sorry you fell, Emma. The floor was wet and slippery.
It's okay, Mom.
I'm just glad you're not seriously hurt.
Mom, I was really scared when I fell.
I know, sweetheart. Falling can be scary. But you're safe now.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Next time, we'll both be extra careful around a wet floor.
Okay, Mom.
Get some rest, sweetheart.
Okay, Mom. I love you.
I love you too, sweetheart. I'll always be here for you.
I know, Mom. I'm so lucky to have you.
Hey, sweetheart. How are you feeling now?
Hi, Dad. I'm feeling a little better.
That's good to hear. Does anything still hurt?
My leg hurts a little, but I'm okay.
I'm glad to hear that. Get some rest, okay? I love you, Emma. Take care of yourself.
Okay, Dad. I love you too.
Okay, sweetheart. I'm gonna make you some soup. I'll bring it to you in a little while.
Emma, are you feeling better now? Yeah, Leo. I'm feeling a little better.
Does your leg still hurt?
A little bit, but Mom is taking care of me.
I'm glad. I was worried about you when you fell.
Ow! Thanks, Leo. I love you, Emma. I love you too, Leo. Mom said she's making you some soup. Yeah. I'm looking forward to it.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks, Leo.
Hi, honey. I'm making some soup for Emma right now.
That sounds great. How's Emma feeling?
Emma's feeling a little better, but her leg still hurts a little.
I'm glad Emma's feeling better. Please tell her I called.
Of course. She'll be happy to hear that.
And make sure she gets plenty of rest, okay?
I will. Don't worry. I'm taking good care of her.
I know you are. I love you both.
We love you too. Talk to you soon.
Thank you, Mom. It smells really good.
I'm glad you like it. Take your time and eat slowly.
Is the soup too hot? A little, but it's okay now. Mom, the soup is delicious.
Good. Be careful, sweetheart. That makes me so happy. Finish your soup and then get some more rest.
Okay, Mom. Thank you for taking care of me.
You're welcome, sweetheart. I'll always take care of you.